Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this lanyard and this belt as well on Dress to Impress. So if you didn't know already, they have a new code. I already put it in. It's called the code is RDC 2025. As you can see, I've already redeemed it, and you'll be able to find it in codes. For the lanyard, you can only obviously just color the lanyard itself. You cannot add any materials to it as well here, but yeah, you can change the color of your lanyard like this. I think it's good for like concert themes. I just wish the RDC 2025 isn't there, but you know, obviously it's going to be there. Then we also have this belt, which is colorable. You can color it to whatever color you want, and it's going to give like the sheen to it, which I like. Again, you cannot add any materials, but I do like the sheen of the like pearls, I guess, but I really like it in this color. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also color the chains here, but just that part. So I'm just going to reword that because I like the first color better. So yeah, that is it for this video. Sorry. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.